Hi guys, in this video I will show you how much money I earn by selling assets in the Unity Asset Store. First, I will tell you who I am. I work under the brand of Hovl Studio in the Asset Store, and when you click on particles, you will always see my effects in the top page. For example, now, not regarding to these sales, some of my assets like this or this one are on the top page, and when you click on the second page you can also find my assets, for example this or this one. First, I started with only one asset. I just combined all effects that I made for the last year and posted in one asset, and it bring me $35 in first month. And then I started creating new assets, and my month's income increased. Now I have 83 assets in the Unity Asset Store. These assets are mostly VFX, but I have some assets with models. And now my average month salary is $4,000 or $5,000. And also one important moment. When you get this money, you need to pay taxes, depending on in which country you located. Now the competition is very high, and if you live in rich countries like United States or maybe in European Union, it's better to work in big company because it can bring you much more money than selling assets in the Unity Asset Store. But it can be a good solution if you live in poor countries. So it's up to you. So that's all that I wanted to say in this video, and see you in the next one. Bye. Oi.